Minisita w'enshonga z'aheeru y'ihanga General Jeje Odong yayoreka ebintu by'amaani ebirikura by'amamiisho amahanga garikukwatanisiza hamwe ebirimu amabanja, entaro, enjara, ibura ry'emirimo n'ebindi bingi.
We are faced with several challenges around the world, including conflicts in different parts of our world, food insecurity, migration, unemployment, health pandemics, climate change, and terrorism among the many challenges that we face.
Odong hona yashaba bebembezi b'omukago gwa NAM okureeba ngu nibashazyaho akiire ak'okurambura ihanga lya Uganda.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's therefore befitting that this year's summit will be held under the theme Deepening Cooperation for Shared Global Affluence. This is indeed a call for cooperation and collaboration within the NAM membership, and this, I believe, will be emphasized in the outcome document.
I congratulate you for assuming the presidency, and I thank you and the government of Uganda and people of Uganda for the hospitality. Also, I extend our thanks to Azerbaijan with the great work that you have been doing through your presidency.
I would like to support the proposal you made, Mr. Chairman, that it is not time to reopen the substantive issues. Only what we can do is technical updating. If there are the dates or references, the number of resolutions should be changed.
Riyad Masol omujukirwa w'ihanga lya Palestine mu Oruteerane rwa NAM nagira ngu ihanga lya Palestine rwine amasikongo Oruteerane runo rwija kuba yamba okuhezaho orutaro ry'omu ihanga eri nk'oku rwabasize kuhezaho orutaro rwabiire ry'omu ihanga lya South Africa obwo abiraguju babiri nibabenga obutegetsi bubi bw'abajungu omu bwire bwa apartheid obwo barikuherwaho amahanga gari omu mukago gwa NAM.
From its inception was always supportive of the Palestinian people and their struggle. We are the last kid around the block. All of you accomplished your national independence and you put an end to colonialism, and you in the African continent succeeded in the remarkable accomplishment of getting rid of apartheid.
Kwatagana ne sente ze twewola oba katugamba amabanja n'okulaba engeri gye tusobola okukyusaamu financing architecture oba engeri ebitongole ebiwola sente engeri gye bikolamu emirimu gyayo okuba nti interest oba katugenga interests ng'ezo zikendeezebwa ddala.
Batandikiraho erizooba n'okuhanisa n'ebiteekateeko aha biragiro ebigumire ebirikuteebwaho amahanga gakiri kutunguuka obwo nigo garikwehora sente z'okwetunguura otiireho n'okuronda omuringo n'okureeba amahanga gakiri kutunguuka oku gakubasa kuherwaho omu by'obushuubuzi. Omu Oruteerane oru buri mujukirwa aine amasiko okuhayo okushaba kwa aha nshonga ezirikumuteganisa kandi orukiiko nirwija kuzihurikiriza n'okusharira hamwe amagezi nk'abantu b'omukago gwa NAM. Orukiiko rw'abakungu abakuru rahwe nihiija kukurataho rw'abaminisita izooba lyo Rwakashatu.